Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Insight, and today I'm going to review Asus Chromebook Flip C214, Chromebook C423, Chromebook 523, and Chromebook C223. These four laptops have operating system which is Chrome OS, and Asus Chromebook Flip C214, C423, C523, and C223 laptops have been launched in India in partnership with Flipkart. As the name suggests, the four model run with the Chrome OS, featuring a suite of Google apps, rugged designs, and more aimed at the work from home audience. The laptop have made their way to the Indian market after being available in the US and other regions. The Asus Chromebook C423 and C523 are offered with both touch and non-touch display options. Asus Chromebooks Flip C214, C423 without flip, C523 and C223 price. When we talk about India, Asus Chromebook Flip C214 is priced at 23,999 rupees and is offered in a single grey color option. The Asus Chromebook C423 is priced at 19,999 rupees for the non-touch model and 23,999 rupees for the touchscreen model. They are offered in the silver color, and the Chromebook C523 cost 20,999 for the non-touch model and 24,999 rupees for the touch model. It is also offered in a silver color option. Lastly, the Asus Chromebook C223, which is the cheapest of the lot, cost 17,999 and it offers in gray color. Asus Chromebook Flip C214. First of all, Asus Chromebook Flip C214 features an 11.6-inch HD with 1266 by 768 pixels and a glare touch display with a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. It is 360-degree hinges allow you to use the laptop in multiple modes. The Chromebook is powered by the dual-core Intel Celeron N4020 processor with Intel USD graphics and 600, and it comes with the 4 GB of LPDDR4 RAM and 64 GB of eMMC storage. It also supports storage expansion via micro SD card up to 2 TB. For connectivities, you get one USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A port, two USB Type 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C ports, 3.5mm combo audio jack, and micro SD card readers. The keyboard on the Asus Chromebook Flip C214 is spill resistant, and the laptop comes with the US MIL STD 810G military grade standard certifications. It is backed by a 50-watt-hour battery that is set to last up to 11 hours. Now let's talk about the Asus Chromebook C423 specifications. Asus Chromebook C423 features a 14-inch HD panel with a 1366 by 768 pixels touch display, which is optional with a processor with the Intel HD graphics 500, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of internal storage. And it has 16 by 9 aspect ratio and 200 nits of peak brightness, and it is powered by the N3350 Intel Celeron, and the storage is expandable via micro SD card start up to 256 GB, and it comes with the two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports, two USB Type 3.2 Gen 1 Type C port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a SD card reader for storage expansion. It is backed by the 38 watt of watt-hour battery and has a 720 pixels of webcam, and it also features Google Assistant voice recognition. Now let's talk about the Asus Chromebook C523 specifications. The Chromebook C523 features a 15.6-inch HD 1366 by 768 pixels touchscreen display, which is optional with a 16 by 9 aspect ratio and 200 nits of peak brightness. Under the hood, it comes with the Intel Celeron N3350 dual-core processor with the Intel HD graphics 500. The Chromebook has a 4 GB of RAM and 65 GB of internal storage that is expandable via a micro SD card up to 2 TB, and it's backed by a 30 watt-hour battery and has 720 pixels of HD webcam. The Asus Chromebook C523 comes with two USB Type 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports, two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C ports, and a 3.5 mm headphone jack, and a micro SD card. Now, last but not the least, the Asus Chromebook C223. Asus Chromebook C223 comes with 11.6-inch HD, 1366 by 768 pixels non-touch display with 200 nits of peak brightness and 16 by 9 aspect ratio. It is powered by the Intel Celeron N3350 dual-core processor with the Intel HD graphics 500 paired with 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage that can be expandable via micro SD card up to 2 TB. And country options include the USB Type 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port, two USB to 3.2 Gen 1 Type C port, a 3.5 mm headphone jack, and a micro SD card reader. Asus Chromebook C223 is backed by the 38 watt-hour battery and comes with a spill resistant keyboard, and there is a 720 pixels of HD webcam as well. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jones. This is second server, and I'll see you in the next video.